Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again in order to find the build number, and basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got the information that right now we are a developer. So now we can go back to the general settings, enter the system, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force allow apps on external, we've got the override force dark, we can change the animator duration scale, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, so overall to the networking and so on and so on. So basically quite a lot of options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the transition animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So basically, if you are done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, nothing easier, just find this, this switcher on this bluish background and tap on it. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive from now on, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.